Christmas shopping spree takes you to Rose Gold Mart. We are at 50 Clock Tower Plaza, shop number 1, and now we're going to be speaking to Sonia Smith, who is a sales rep here. Fabulous jewelry here at Rose Gold. Talk to me about the range that you have, watches, chains.
We have stainless steel, gold filled silver, watches, the same, appliances, we have electronics, perfumes,
yes,
Bath and Body Works. We have discounts on them. We have up to 20%. Specials on blenders, cake mixers, fans, the electronic stuff, irons, we have toasters, we have spas, we have microwaves, shears, we have a whole variety.
What's the opening hours?
It's 9 o'clock a.m. up until 10, 11.
Every single thing that you can think of is right here in Rose Gold. And when you come in here, you ask my friend Sonia Smith, and she's going to make sure that you maximize the discounts and the specials. But it's a shopping spree, so you know we can't stop shop right now. So we're going to go to Rose Gold on Orange Street. Come on, man. Shopping spree. So we're here at 28 to 30 Orange Street, Rose Gold Mart. We told you we were hopping from Clock Tower to downtown, and joining me is, guess the name, Delia. And so let's start with the furniture.
We have sofas from all different sizes. We have up from the princesses, the queens, the kings, and the price varies. For the bedroom, we have from Spanish M, we have from the sprayed ones, we have from the mahos. For the mattresses, we have the pillow top, we have the foam, we have the inner spring, and we have the base as well to go with them. We just started out with the cell phones and the tablets. You can get your micro card here and the chargers.
I say Bluetooth speakers. You also have, which I didn't know, you have refrigerators.
And coolers as well, deep freezers.
Decor is the thing now, you know. Jamaica people are tearing up the things in them house. So if you want to do that, you come right down to Rose Gold Mart, 28 to 30 Orange Street. I asked for who?
Celia.
Can't forget that. We are at the Mall Plaza inside of Child's Play, because let me tell you something, if for nobody else, Christmas is for the children. So Esther Henry, look man, I walked through the toy segment. You guys have everything. Talk to me about
everything. They can get educational items like board games, puzzles, books.
Yes.
They can get toys. For the boys, we have remote control cars, helicopters, planes, battleship.
I saw bikes, I saw trucks, I saw dinosaurs.
Right, the dinosaur now, that's the in thing for the boys now.
Yes.
They are going crazy for those. Also, we have race car sets and train sets.
There's stuff for kids of all age groups. So if you're buying for the baby or the older ones, then you know, it happens here in Child's Play.
That's right.
What's here for the girls? We spoke about the boys. What's here for the girls?
Okay, for the girls, we have tea sets, kitchen sets, we have doll houses, right? We have jack sets, we have the carriage with the R's.
Wow.
That's a new one.
So you're saying if they want it, this is the place they can come and get it?
The right place.
All right, so that's the toys.
It's like a one-stop shop.
For the kids?
Baby, we have like furniture like the cribs, playpen, stroller, walker, bouncers, gym, you name it, we have it. Opening hours will be like 9 o'clock and extending hours maybe 10, 11, all depends.
Is Child's Play only here, or do you have another location?
We have another location in Sovereign Village, Portmore Pines. All who live in Portmore, they don't necessarily have to come to Mall because same things at the other brand.
Family members, just come on down to Child's Play Mall Plaza. Every single thing you can think of for the child is here. Ask my friend, Miss Esther. Now, one of the things that we love to do in Jamaica during the holidays is to make sure that our homes are all spruced up. And today we're at Unique Living because Kimberly's going to show me how this Christmas we can make your home absolutely classy. So talk to me about the brands that you have here.
We have more in faucets, and with the faucet it comes with you can get the bars and the tissue holders and towelry, everything to go with a line.
This is the place for you, right, Kimberly? Yes. Show them.
So you have the ceiling rain head. It sits flush on the ceiling.
All right.
Your drop ceiling rain head.
Very sophisticated. Oh. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. We have here.
You have the waterfall, and then you have another spinning shower, and then you have the rain head on that.
Here we have our kitchen sinks, or under-mount kitchen sinks. We have double sinks, single sinks. They come with strainers. As a matter of fact, for Christmas, we're having a special under sinks.
Nice.
So you can come on down, yeah? We're showcasing the moments now. We do have the Hansgrohe kitchen faucets also. And as we always say, you can get them in whatever finish you need. We have the stainless steel, we have it in chrome, we have it in brushed nickel. You choose it. We have it all.
You're also in the bedroom because you have an awesome closet.
Oh yes, we are showcasing our new line of Alpha closet organizers. And we know what closet space is like when we come to, especially the ladies.
Oh yes, Unique Living has it all.
And don't forget, Delia, we do hardware items and we stock parts for everything we sell. Make your home a unique living home this Christmas.
Unique Living, Don Robin Plaza, shop number
6.
Make sure you visit them this holiday season.